Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. In this video, we will see how to download notebook in Jupyter Notebook. To download a notebook in Jupyter Notebook, open the notebook that you want to download. Okay, and there are two ways by which you can download the notebook. So the first way is to download as Jupyter Notebook. For this, click on File and click on Download. So this will download the notebook in the notebook format, which is ipynb. Okay. So now if you go to the downloads folder from Jupyter Notebook itself, you can see that the create cell ipynb notebook has been downloaded. So now we can open this. Okay. So this is the same notebook. So this is the same notebook that we have downloaded. It is also downloaded in the same format, which is the Jupyter Notebook format, and the extension is .ipynb. Okay, so there is other way to download the notebook. So we can also download the notebook in other formats. So for this, click on File, and here we have Save and Export Notebook As, and we have all the other formats in which we can download the Jupyter Notebook. So we can download it in the HTML format, Markdown, PDF, Executable Script, etc. Okay, so first let's download it in the HTML format. So this will download it as a HTML web page. Okay, the extension is .html. Okay, now let's download it as Markdown format, which is used for documentation. So it will be of extension .md. Okay, now let's download in the same way in Executable Script. So Executable Script will download the file in .py format. Okay, so this converts all the code cells into a Python script. So let's click on Executable Script. Okay, so this downloads in the .py format. Okay, so this downloads it into a Python file. So these are some of the formats in which you can download the notebook. So let's go to download. Okay, and here you can see the various formats in which we had downloaded the file. So we have the HTML format, the Markdown format MD, and the Python file, okay, .py. So let's open the HTML file. So if you open the HTML file, so this is in the web page format. Okay, so all the data that we have in the notebook is displayed in the HTML format. So Markdown MD, let's open this file. So this is downloaded the file in the Markdown format. So this is used for the documentation. Okay. So this is one format. Next, we had downloaded in the Python file format. So let's open this. So here we have the file, which is a Python script. Only the code cells is converted into Python script, and rest all of the lines has been commented. Okay, so these are some of the formats by which you can download the notebook. Okay, so this is how you can download notebook in Jupyter Notebook. I have also prepared a reference guide on how to download a notebook in Jupyter Notebook. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. In this video, we will see how to import a notebook in Jupyter Notebook. To import a notebook on Jupyter Notebook, first go to the location where you want to import the notebook. Okay, so I want to import the notebook inside Projects, Create Notebook. So now we can import the notebook using the Upload option. So click on the Upload button. Okay, now select the notebook that you want to upload. It should be of the extension ipynb. So here I have a notebook, Magic Commands ipynb inside the Downloads folder. So select that notebook and click on Open. Okay, so now the notebook has been imported to this location. Okay, now we can open the notebook. Okay, so we can open the notebook and view it from here, and it has appeared into the location where we want to import. Okay, so this is how we can upload or import a notebook in Jupyter Notebook using the upload option. Okay, this is one way of doing it. So now let me delete it. Okay, so now I have deleted. So there is also another way of importing a notebook in the Jupyter Notebook. For that, you can copy the notebook into the Jupyter Notebook directory where you want that to be imported. So in the same directory, we can copy the notebook into this location in the File Explorer. Okay. So to do this, go to the location where we have the notebook. So I have the notebook in the Downloads folder. So it is the notebook Magic Commands ipynb. So copy this notebook and go to this location, which is Projects Create Notebook. Okay. So this is the location of the Jupyter Notebook directory where I want to import this notebook. So this is the notebook in the File Explorer. I'm clicking on it. So inside Projects Create Notebook, we can just paste it here. Control V to paste it. Okay, and now if you come to the Jupyter Notebook directory, we can see that the Magic Commands ipynb notebook has been appears here. Okay. So this is how we can import the notebook by copying it into the directory where we want to import the notebook. Okay. So to import a notebook in Jupyter Notebook, we can import it using the upload option, or we can copy that notebook directly to the directory from File Explorer. So these are the two ways we can use to import the notebook in Jupyter Notebook. I have also prepared a reference guide on how to import notebook in Jupyter Notebook. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.